Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel if I don't know all this shit. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty the Emperor Haile Selassie I and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. I'm going to help grow the platform. You know, see, no, you don't know. We can't call it trivial still, but it's not, you know, we say a little thing going on in a mobile. Them say a mobile the other day with two men have a shootout in the open square. You see, we get some video clippings regarding the whole thing. I'm not sure who and where everybody who see it already still, but you know, usually our opinion kind of, you know, yeah. So we have some video clippings here with like a OK Corral, like the great gunfight at OK Mobile. You know, see it. The thing is, you say, all right, this is the thing about it now. It's like I want to really have much interest in it because of the desensitized way how Iman has become regarding them type of thing, which is tragic still. You know, see, I want to looking at myself psychologically, balance that because pain and hurt is pain and hurt. Sin and unfairness is what it is. You know, see, and it's the silence of a good man why certain stupidity can get free. Triumph. You know, see? So, we really have to maintain we emotional context or we emotional stability. Even though in another world where we are live, it's like it next to impossible these days. You know, see? And at the same thing for the people in the surrounding while the whole shooting are going on. You know, see? It's like you have the people have developed this immunity, you know, where them can stand up and watch. You know, it's like there is this need, there is this thirst. We have become this acclimatized to crime and violence. Not even crime, but like violence these days, which is crime anyway still, but the violent aspect of it. We have become this acclimatized that we could have stand up and watch a man get 1 gunshot, 2 gunshot, you know, and wait 5 more minutes for him get another one, probably the critical one, and dead before we even do nothing. You know, in most cases, we take what we said if we can't do nothing. We not stand up and watch, we not have the Anyway, I could catch a clip in there.
Top best man, come on.
Yeah, man, the man them that I deal with them thing. You know by now probably the story, the case, and everybody's opinion might have been well established. I think like that right across the board. But again, you know, I might things them the usual things I'm often said. I things that are already been said, like them boy a gun forget take away and things like that. You know, see, but one of the most critical things is look how the man dress and look how the man operate around the town. Why if a squad or a police did that drive up from probably behind, or a single policeman walk up from behind and see him dressed like that and operate like that in the town? Now, why would that give me reasons to think twice that this is a gunman challenge? You know what I say? Now, while there is no laws and them sort of thing there, oh, you for attire or should attire and thing like that. Either, you still have to factor in them things there for your own safety. You don't need nobody common sense that. See. So that's one aspect of the thing when we observe. Seeing, now, is somebody running or somebody care back, Because I see a clippings, but I have it, but I see a clippings of the incident where really happened. And somebody running or somebody care back. Or somebody reversing or somebody care front. But regardless, is a fender bender, is a minor fender bender, it's just a common road accident. And what happened now is that you go have man choose to take another man's life, prepare for take another man's life, that. And also, the process, prepare for himself go to prison because regarding the use of firearm in Jamaica, I'm certain there is no way, shape or form or anywhere in the world was these actions acceptable. We can't say much for the fellow way in the red, where it look like him get injured. We can't say much of him, but overall, the nether brother, he might move like, that was Calous. Film action no look like, see him intend for de-escalate because he might shoot same way even when there is no threat or danger, even when him out arms way. See, so film attitude and action is very loose and careless. See, to say the least, irresponsible. See, so I could watch another clip here again and then we'll go in on the thing a little more later on because there are 3 different clips we have. See, we give thanks. Yeah, so from a different angle that Rasta, see, and we give thanks to nobody in the vicinity and the immediate vicinity if you get hurt unconsciously, because a whole heap of things could have gone. So somebody could have walked out of a business place where lock up due to the AC were in there and them things that a regular thing that a Jamaica, a popular thing that a Jamaica. See, somebody could have drive them car come around the corner. Anything could have did that, Rasta. Anything could have did that. See, that a public danger that you put the public in a danger that it's a very irresponsible way for procreating yourself. It's like them man now, it's like, see, I see pan Wayne run some program yesterday and I have comments about it's like a monkey can get a gun at Jamaica if him know the right people. See, like, yeah. Nobody now observe your emotional level, your psychological level. Nobody not teach, not train or nothing like that how to de-escalate. Regardless of what start, it happen. But where the de-escalation there, where the sense, where they come back to reality there and realize this thing here, I put people, innocent people life at danger, I put the public at risk. Life and property, not just life. Because you have to think about people, vehicle and them sort of something, the people, business. See, a whole heap of waste loose thing could have gone there, so through them trigger happy gunman, yeah. We are going, from 2 man step out of the car and realize that them are armed man. That should be again, a fixture within the conditions of owning a license firearm, That's the when you realize the 2 owner license firearm holder, no shooting, nothing go on, A matter of fact, no shooting, nothing go on, any shooting go on, this is gonna get taken away regardless. See, if him get shot with the gun in his waist or before him identify himself or again, what was the threat while you shoot the man? See, for a man to pop off him gun in face of license firearm holder, boy, you were dead. License firearm holder, you were dead. Yeah. Straight, if you know so that are supposed to be part of the road. That means that the two of them are pop off and they say, license the firearm holder, you dead. So the two of them realize immediately, they say, right, we license the firearm holder. Anyway, we shoot this at the car, be anyway, regardless. You know, see, you can't have the man them in Jamaican, hot-head, in the sun, with so much Mali around. Some deeper consideration need for take regarding them thing a Rasta. You know, see, the people them, we know say a whole heap of boy buy them firearm. We know that, Rasta. So, we have to take that thing as serious. You know, see, there's a whole heap of criminality I see go on that's a Rasta. There is no doubt regarding that. You know, people, everybody see it for themselves. You know, see, the first thing, the man when at the marina should have run, continue run, go that direction there. Take away himself. You can't, you know me I say? You still a come back like, yeah, a murder you, kill you want to kill the man. You see, the intent of to defend yourself from the threat of danger. This is the whole purpose of a license firearm. You know, say in England, only for people have license gun. And the maddest things that them can't use against human. Them can, but it's so steeped, wrapped up in a litigation and laws and sort of legislation and sitting that's you can't do it. Essentially. You see, because a man break in on my house. Right here now, a man break in upon me. Never know say me in here. And when him come in, him see me. And decide to run back. I could have 10,000 gun, knife, stone, whatever in here. If me hurt him, injure him back. Forensically to tell the investigator them say him did a take away himself from me. So him no longer was a threat. Moment him realize you can sisterate it, him is not a threat. Him never expect to see me. You more enough man of them ego, them jump off and I take advantage of it. Enough of them are coward why them do that either. Okay, again, enough of them are just reaction. You see, you don't know, you're shocked. You see, but in this case, yeah, Rasta. You pop off your shotgun, you cock it and shoot the man in him back in England, yeah. You gone to prison. It happened before. You see, in a recent time, yeah. Anyway, I can watch the last clipping.
Driver, what's your glass? So one glass in I feel my carrier. Most license for around here. You know, it's most license, man. Some man not retreat there. But see man not retreat, I see now. See man Who are them guests? That's fine, Ola. Lights to gun. Yeah. But the man there, someone are bleed. Marina. No.
When I look for wrong, money I spend. Jump!
Now in the last bit there, you see say, Marina man in the Jeep back, the car back, you see, and gone like them carry him gone and the arrest or something. Look that way. I don't know how else to look on it. You see, I see one clip where him actually I tell the man say, I lucky and him head him should I get shot. You know see it? I see one clip where I said that to the man in front of the police. Now all of them things are there on video, you know. All of them things there in a Rasta. Intention, you approve your intention, say, a murder you want, a kill you want, kill the man. You see it? While you don't have the need to. It's a fender bender. What give them guys so much stupidity, Rasta? You know, see, it is like a competition. If you say, oh, you know, yeah, you can't look on it no other way. You know, see, what you expect? It's like there is no a consequence. The consequence is so little and non-existent. Because again, you know, you have to find, feel no way them guys are going to do them thing and all the while fire them gun and get away with it, you know, through them control local police or them can bribe local police. You know, see, enough I will pay attention to the case here. Couple months time, them two same money I walk up and down the road again with them license gun, you know, quietly, silently gone. Because, you see, the people them with a whole, the authorities to consequence ensure that them things work according to principle. They're not the gleaner, the loop, the observer, IRFM, and them things that if you have a report upon the case, you follow it step by step. All that day, them just turn up at the police station and ask, you discover any new information regarding that investigation with the shooting we're going in a mobile the other day. Put them under pressure so them know them any conclusion them come to at any point in the investigation. The media are going to run with it and stir through it and things like that to see, to make sense of it. You know, see it. So them will stay on top of it and stay true. Nobody now going to give up them career for a guy with them don't know. Or for, although I see two police do it the other day for 30 grand, $200 each. Go take out, man. I never seen nothing like this yet. I say, the corruption gone and it's so simple. Because we see it all the while. Even I and I do it, change corrupt principles around I and get things going upon a decent level. People will always go for good principle, good morals and principle rather than certain breakdown, corruption and them sort of thing because them know saying that the corruption field are usually one man, two man or a group of people a benefit. You know see, and that's still unfair. That way too unfair. You know see, so people will usually stick to the roads and you know me I say, and still we keep a principled, functional society, community or group, whatever, you know see, rather than, yeah. So things can, yeah, and it will be, yeah, we not give up and we not say nothing less than things are going to change one day. Jamaica people, because a change, them change from who them was to this, what they are today. You know see, so we give thanks, Rastafari.